So recently I made bean and cheese tamales. Check the description below this video for the full recipe video link. Now, I froze half of them and the other half I kept in the fridge. And growing up, the next day or even a week later, we would reheat these on a comal. Now, you can definitely steam these for about 10 minutes or so, microwave them, whatever you find convenient. But I just wanted to share something very nostalgic when reheating tamales and make a tamales breakfast. So here I have my cold tamales and I'm going to take a couple of them to make breakfast along with some fried eggs. It's very simple, but gosh, it's so good. What I like to do is place the tamales first in a cold pan, griddle, or skillet, then turn on the heat. This allows for the tamal to gradually heat as the pan starts to preheat, because if you put it on a scorching hot pan, it'll start to burn the corn husk before the inside has a chance to really warm and heat through. So the name of the game here is to use a medium moderate heat, and over a period of time you just sort of turn and flip your tamal in the corn husk, and eventually it heats on the inside. And the time varies. I'm going to turn this down to a medium heat because, like I said, you want it to warm through on the inside before the exterior burns too much. So my tamales are bean and cheese. I like to make some fried eggs with this. You could make them scrambled, over easy, over medium, over well, or sunny side up. I guess I'm going for broken today, a broken yolk egg. It's all good, you guys. However you want to make your eggs, do that. So I want to talk to you about something. At some point, I need to take a break this year. So I decided I'm going to do 12 days of food Vlogmas. That's kind of what I'm going to title this video. And I just want to cook whatever I'm cooking that day and share a story with you. For example, these tamales remind me of my childhood. All my tias, grandmothers on both sides of my family always warmed up tamales this way. And it didn't matter what presents were under the Christmas tree. The thing that mattered was this wrapped tamal sitting on your plate, served by someone you love. It really was about the food in my family. And making this breakfast reminds me of all those good times as a kid when life was a lot simpler, when my dad was around. So this is definitely something he would like to eat. Now you can serve this with salsa. I had a tia that made a mean chile piquin salsa. It was so good. But I'm gonna opt for Louisiana hot sauce. It's one of my favorites. You could do Tabasco, you could do any hot sauce or salsa that you like. But this breakfast might not look pretty when you plate it, but man is it good. So I woke up early today, so I'm having breakfast in peace and quiet by myself in my office, and I'm gonna have some cafecito along with this. This is really just a favorite of mine. And this is just a holiday treat. I'm going to sit here and think about all my loved ones that are still with me, that I'm thankful for, and even the ones that have passed. This little breakfast, it's not much to look at, but it means a lot when I'm thinking back on family. So you guys, 12 days of Vlogmas. This is day 1. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.